Okay, is this working? Yeah, I think it's working. Okay, so welcome, I guess, to my first devlog. It's kind of late because I've already started on the game quite a bit, but I thought it's better to start than never, so I've started. So far in the game, I've got like this basic racetrack. I've got 2 cars. All of this needs fixing. I don't know why I have 2 game objects for 2 cars. I've also added Red Bull Sprite, that's recent. There's all the art that's in the game so far. So you've got the circuit, you've got the grass, the logos, the grandstands, the buttons, that's recent. I added that last night. I've been working on the game now for like a couple of weeks. Different tires and stuff. Yeah, so that's what the game so far is looking like. But still a lot to add, and I decided to, you know what, I'll do a devlog. I could make videos, but I don't know, then I have to edit, and well, I don't know, it's just better or faster and easier to just stream it. Not that anyone's gonna be watching, but hey, it'll be something to go back and watch one day. So today I made the cello. So this is what I did last night. I did the controller art. So I did the throttle pedal, because before there was just buttons with U, H, with the names of the different pedals. So yeah, I've got this now. I think I might change the gears and stuff to have sliders, which might be better. It will be better for sure. But for now I've got this. But the pedals I think I'm gonna stick with. They look nice. Maybe make them a bit bigger. I also did the cleanup of the gear UI, because the gear UI was very bad. I had a game object for each gear. So like if I was on N, on neutral, it would have a game object that would say N here. Then it'd have a game object that say R for reverse, etc, etc. As now I just have gear UI with a text, which well, I guess when I started it wasn't really good at C#, not that I am now, but I'm a bit better, I guess. And now it just changes the text as you change gears, which is, well, actually let me get into my script, which is super efficient, way better, so you don't have 1,000 different game objects. Then I also did the Rev UI, which was a bit more complicated because that's a sprite. So it's this thing that's right here, there. This thing. It's like a light that switches on when you reach max speed in that gear, so that you know that you need to go up a gear. Wait, let me focus. Yeah, so that's the one. And yeah, that I changed because I had 2 game objects, one overlapping the other. So I had the off version, and when you'd reach this top speed, there would be another game object that would switch on, that would turn on and overlap the one which would be the light is on. It would be this one here. But now I just put one Rev UI, it's only one, and now it just changes sprite weather, so that's way more efficient. It's just simple things like that I'm changing right now. And today I want to do the clean lap UI in multiplayer, because the lap UI, like the lap, not the lap UI, but the lap, yeah, the lap UI script and the way it's implemented in the game is very, very bad. Well, yeah, it's not very efficient. So yeah, today we're gonna be in multiplayer and changing that, which is here, because you see, where is it? Canvas. To each, right. To each lap that you do, usually there is a difference. There's a different button that comes up. I can't find it now. Where is it? Oh, I'm sure that's how it works. At least that's how I remember it working. Let's just do it again, because I'm sure. What? It's disappeared. See, you choose here, you choose the number of laps. Oh, that's gonna be bad because I'm recording. I didn't check if it was gonna work, but I hope it won't be too laggy. So see here, this. Okay, wait, let me just focus on it and click on it now. There we go, okay, there it is. That was one way of doing it. Okay, this. The very, so each car has all of these buttons instead of just changing the script. This is so bad. It's so, yeah. Well, the way I'm gonna do it today is probably not the most efficient way. You guys are probably gonna die when you're gonna see my script. When you're gonna see my script, you're gonna see it's very bad. So, no, where is it? The script. Okay, so now if I go on the script, you'll see how bad this is. Oh, that's another thing I really want to add, which I'm actually gonna add now. Is not the changing of cars, because that is actually the horrible thing. So, P1 and P2 sprite change. Well, that's for multiplayer. That's not very important. I'll leave that here for now. But what I'm talking about, you'll see here, is in single player, change of car slash sprite. Because right now, if you want to choose a car in single player, let's say you choose a Mercedes car or a Ferrari car. If you choose a Mercedes, it will turn off the Ferrari car object, which has a whole bunch of stuff inside it, which adds to the space of the game. It's not very efficient. So now change the sprite instead of object. Yeah, that's so much more efficient, and that's that I really need to add, because then that'll be so much better. Like, I won't have 1,000 different objects for each car. I'll just have one object for a car, and then if you choose the Red Bull, you'll be having the Red Bull sprite. Super simple. And I might even do it to multiplayer, which is what I added. Wait, sorry, which is what I added. Yeah, that's multiplayer, but I won't do that now. This will be next. Oh, how did I write that? Change, there we go. So now this is my script. Get ready to die if you guys know how C# works, because it's bad. It's a lot of ifs, a lot of else ifs, a lot of else. It's just bad. This is my lab system. This is to die. I know it's terrible. I just don't know another way of doing it. So instead of turning these different objects on and off, which is so annoying, because even in my look at all these game objects. It's just insane. It's absolutely, it's horrible. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is, okay, so we're gonna have one script. Okay, let's turn off this. I will start with the Merc, I guess. Yeah, lab Mercedes. Turn off this canvas because this one's not very useful. Okay, yeah, it's this one. So here we've got all these game objects. We're gonna delete all of them, leave one of them, and leave one of the autos. So we're gonna turn all of this off. We're gonna go, this is quite a big step, but okay, UI, control save. So lab UI, and we're gonna turn all of this off, and we're gonna say let out of UI. That's perfect. It's so much better, so much faster. Look, insane. I can't believe I didn't do this before, and now I don't know what's happening. Okay, there we go. Why do I have this weird thing that's scaring me? Okay. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go Control F, and I'm gonna search lab. I'm gonna search lab should be okay. There should be a whole bunch of labs here. Okay, so that no, it's this one here. Lab equals 1. No, that's not the one. We'll find it. Yeah. Yeah, here. So if this is this, we're gonna say lab UI dot text. I feel like I'm doing something wrong because last time it did not work when I did this, but hey, lab text equals 1. I can't believe I didn't do this before, but, and then you go this, no, you say 0, sorry. And then if you want the other ones, instead of switching off the game object and then turning it back on, you just do this. an easy one. It's so stupid. But I guess that I thought that was the logical way of doing it. Even now it's still bad. I mean, having all the if statements, because now even if you go above 10 or block at 10, well, not because the game will stop anyway at 10, but like I should have a way that it just adds on to. Oh, I could. No, I can't. No, I can't. If equals, how could I do it? I could say if the lap equals to lap UI. So if lap equals 0, lap UI text equals 0. But then lap is a float, and this is a text. A text. What the hell am I saying? It's how do you say text in C#? This just shows you my level. String. Yeah. Sorry. Damn, that took me long. Yeah, so there are two different variable types, which is that's challenging. Okay, well, let's just paste, sorry, and then go there, paste, and there, not that, paste, 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 it's gonna take long, paste, and paste, and now we're gonna write 0, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, and 3, 2, and 1 is already done. Okay, and this now should be fine. No, why is there more though? That's annoying. 10 labs. Okay, that's then the out ofs. Yeah, that's all good. Okay, so now the out ofs, which we're actually gonna write out of. There we go. So now you just go out of UI dot text, because we're getting the text, and you say equals out of text of UI text equals it'll equal, what am I doing, /3. Okay, why did that take me so why did that take me so long? Copy, paste, copy, paste, and this is a 10 and this is a 5. Okay, all good. Yeah, okay, this should work. I don't think it will, because obviously this never. Just see if it does. Oh, it's actually. Yeah, this is the sample I used for the Red Bull. I'm quite happy with the Red Bull. I'd like, obviously, as soon as I make a new car, I want to try it out. So right now, I'm quite keen at getting it into the game. So this will, I think I'm already done with this. If this doesn't show any errors, you see, always shows errors. Okay, text. Okay, I know why it does this. What was the problem? I did the same thing last night, exact same thing. I knew it wasn't gonna work. Okay, let me just go into Gear, no, not Gear PC. No, that's the wrong script. Gear Mobile. How did I do it? I said text, right? It's not a game up. It is though. Wait, how did I do it? How did I do it? Where's the rev? Sprite game object, pitch UI, rev UI, gear UI, game object, gear UI, status game object. I think if I say text, let's just try text, because I don't know if it will work. That's how I did it in the first time, then the second time I did game object. So we'll just try text. Here, let's try text. If it doesn't work, then I'll just do the other way. I shall save. Okay. Any errors? This is. just number one. What? That is insane. Last night I spent so long. That is insane. Last night I spent so long trying to solve this problem, and I solved it, but a totally different way. And I could have just done text. That's so stupid. Last time I did the game object, and I called the text component inside the game object. So it was like the longest way you could ever do it. Well, it's not the longest, but it's just, I guess it's two different ways of doing it. The other one is just as right as the other. So now lab merc we can remove. Wait, which one are we gonna remove? We'll remove these, delete. We'll remove all of these, delete. We'll call this one out of UI. We are on the we're on the limit. Out of UI. Oh, this is so much better. I mean, I knew I did it wrong when I first did it, but I just couldn't bother. In lab UI. Okay. This is good. Oh, this is so good. So now, if we play the game, you'll see, because Ferrari still has the old system. Oh yeah, no, they don't share scripts, so it'll be fine. Ferrari. So if we play the game, oh no, this won't work. I need to switch on the canvas. I need to switch on the. Oh, wait. Problem. 237. What's wrong? What's wrong? What's wrong? $237. What? That has nothing to do with anything. Oh, sorry. Oh, that's the wrong script. Okay, let's not stress. It's fine. Okay, 237 is this. Okay, so I think. Oh, I shouldn't have closed that script. I think that's the problem. It's that same problem I had last night. So actually, I wasn't wrong last night. I did the right thing. Text doesn't work, but it does. What? Why doesn't it work? Oh, I'm an idiot. Oh, I'm such an idiot. Jeez, this is another thing I just said. All these stupid things. And okay, out of UI. There we go. I called them, but I didn't put them back in. Okay, and now if we put on back the canvas, it should work. At least I hope it works. Let's go. So we're looking at the Mercedes. The Mercedes, that's weird. It still hasn't called. I'll just see. No, it's not working. Ah, why is it not working? Oh, it's just it's so annoying. Okay, there we go. Now it'll work. Oh my god, I'm such a genius. Oh, this is so bad. Okay. Test now. What? The fourth test? Okay, 3. Yeah, there we go. It's working. That's great. That's so cool. Okay, that's so much better. So much better. 2 game objects compared to what? 10 plus 3. 13 game objects, just 2. Oh yeah, that's the grass. I've also, yeah. So another thing is while I'm working on this. I'm supposed to be working on this much later. It's supposed to be the polishing of the game. Well, not the game, but the like 0.5 pre-alpha version of the game. But this, it's working. It's so cool. But I'm working on this because the technical side is destroying me. Genuinely. Okay, well that's working. That's fine. I can't. There's a big problem. I need to create my own physics system, but I really don't know how to. There's no friction in up-down. If you guys know if there's friction, I can't find friction. And my resolution is apparently very bad. Is that true? It looks very. Oh wow, that's some bad resolution. I am sorry. That's bad. Okay, well I'm sorry. I'll try to fix it next time. Oh, by the way, if you want to download my game, it's on itch.io right now. The latest version has a bug. Not the first version is just as bad. It's literally just the shittiest version. But the latest version right now has a bug where if you go onto the grass, so if you go off track whilst your tires are very worn out, it will just go berserk. Your car will start going backwards at like 1,000 k's an hour, and you'll just go flying in all over the map. So that I need to fix, and I tried to fix it, and it just wasn't working, and there's just, I'm lost in my code. That's the scariest thing, is when you get lost in your code, and I feel like that's what's happening right now. So I'm just going to replace all of that with this. Yeah, I'm lost in my code, and that's the worst. When you don't know what's wrong, you're looking through your code, you can't find any problems. That's just horrible. It's just the worst feeling, and it's just so, like, I literally gave the game a break for like a day, maybe a couple, maybe a bit more. I just chilled, played some Stardew Valley. But yeah, I just chilled because I didn't know what to do until I said, well, you know what, if you don't know what to do there, you'll just work on cleaning up, because this was the next part of the game that I was supposed to work on, is clean up all of this. I've got the polishing to do. I've got kind of a real name for the game, because I still am calling it F1 game or F1 Racing, which doesn't make any sense. Need to change the logo, because that's the real F1 logo, and I'm gonna get killed. I need to make a parody. I forgot what it's called. Parodies in a game. We can look that up. Parodies in a game. Well, it has a name. Yeah, it does have a name, but it's basically when it's like GTA 5, for example. They never use the cars. They'll never say, "Oh, Chiron," but they use resemblance, like parodies, because they can't get the licenses. And I'm not going to get the license to do all the different F1 teams and do the official F1. No, that's not gonna happen. So I need to make parodies. Maybe Mercedes will be, I don't know, something. The Ferrari will be, I don't know, just different names, similar but different, so that, you know, no one complains. Everyone's happy times. Okay, so now we need to go back. Let's just put this one there. Ferrari now. Ferrari, we are changing you. This is now you. Okay, so we're gonna grab. Let's go back up here. Let's grab these two. Copy, and we are going to take all of this and we're going to paste. There we go. Then we have nothing else. What did we change? Then we went directly into this, didn't we? Yeah. So we'll just grab this. Text, copy. It's gonna be long. Yeah, this is the long part. But yeah, well, so I don't know what to do with this thing with the mechanics. I need to create my own physics system, and physics is not my strong point. Don't really enjoy it. It's not I don't admire it. Kind of interesting sometimes, but it's just not my favorite subject, which is a problem, because making games, physics takes a huge part. I mean, when you create a game, most of the time you're rebuilding physics, which Unity does that great. It has its own physics system, which is so cool, which is what I'm using right now, but it doesn't have friction. And me and my brother, we just started we had started making a new a physics system, our own physics thing, but it got so complicated. And I think when you have that much code with that many calculations, I felt like my computer was lagging. Maybe I was wrong, but that's what I felt like. So I was like, yeah, that's not gonna work. So now I'm just stuck. I don't really know what to do. I'm going to actually make my own physics system. Is this the real problem right now? Is the problem that I don't have? Will I be even more lost if I have a new physics system? All of these are questions I am asking myself. Where is auto now? There it is. yeah, so that's all my little problems that I'm trying to figure out in this game, but I'm sure I'll figure them out. So many times in this game, while making this game, I just gave up. Next day, found motivation again, tried doing it again, and I actually got it. So, you know, giving up sometimes, well, I guess it's kind of another way of taking a break. But like, I don't know, it's just, I like it so much, I just get straight back into it. Like, I give it a break. Like right now, I gave it a break for a day. Started playing Stardew Valley. Stardew Valley is literally made by one person, and instead of enjoying the game, I was just admiring everything the guy did by himself, and I was just finding it amazing. I was like, wow, this guy did this by himself, he did the art, the music, all of this. I was just imagining like how he made it, like he probably didn't even use anything. He didn't use Unity, he didn't use anything like that, but I was just trying to imagine how he made the game. I was just like, wow, amazing. So much respect for that guy. He did so well. But yeah, let's put that back in. Yeah, it was so encouraging. Well, like, yeah, encouraging. It was just amazing to see a solo dev build such an amazing game. I was like, oh, that's so cool. That's what I want to do. So the next day, I went straight back into it. Not working. Why is it not working? It is not working, that's for sure. It's not even coming up. Oh, no, I didn't even switch it off. Why is it not working? Okay, what? What? I'm so lost right now. What is wrong with my code? There's no complaints. Unity's not complaining. What is wrong? Oh! Oh, I'm an idiot. Okay, that's a problem. I shouldn't have done that. That's so stupid. I should not have done that. Maybe I can control Z it. I don't know if I can. I hope this doesn't change my code. I don't think it does. There we go. Okay. Ignore those two because that's not gonna work. We're just gonna do the same, because what's happening is it was in I copied those two across, and those two are in the same position, so it's just overlapping each other. So that doesn't really work, does it? So I'll just do this. Use the old ones like I did with the Mercedes. Yeah, changing the sprites is gonna be very cool, because you'll be able to change with so many more cars. Like, I'll just be able to draw cars, which I actually really like doing that. Drawing the different cars for the different, like the Red Bull is a challenge because it's got so much like detail, but it looks very nice. I like it. I think I'm kind of proud of it. It could be better, but I'm proud of it. I like it. Okay, where am I? Okay. Lap. UI. What did I do? Why did I delete this? Switch them on. Ferrari, where's Ferrari? Yeah, I'm gonna have to come up with parody names. That will be challenging. I don't know how I'm gonna come up with parody names. Like what? Ferrari? I don't know. I have no idea. Out of UI, what am I doing? There we go. This Ferrari, keep that in. No. Wait, what? Why did I not? Oh, I mixed them up. Well done. So now it shall work. Yeah, it's working. That's so cool. Okay, well that's done. Another thing done. That was quite quick. Did that in there. Very cool. Yeah, so if you guys want to download the game, go try it out. It's on itch.io. F1 Prototype it's called. Guys, the game is not even, I don't know if I can't find anything below pre-alpha, but yeah, it's below pre-alpha. It's literally just the basics of the game. Well, okay, I don't know. Should I say? Maybe I'll be surprised. Maybe you guys will discover over time. But yeah, the game's gonna be a lot more complicated. Or at least I hope so. It's kind of dumb when it's your first game. It's kind of hard to do that. But the link is here, by the way. F1HIO, F1 prototype. Yeah, it's kind of dumb to say that, like, when it's gonna be. I don't know. I'll see. Yeah, it's kind of dumb because it's my first game, and that's a very complicated game. Every single game dev has literally said, and I've seen all the videos, don't start with a big game. You will demoralize yourself, and you won't finish the game. And I was scared that was gonna happen, but honestly I'm just going step by step. Like, I know the game has a lot more to add, but if I get tired of it, this is basically a finished game. I can, well, to my consideration, it's a finished game. Not to the public, but like to me, I think it's a good enough game to just move on to another game if I need to. But honestly, for now, I just have a lot of motivation for the game. Don't really feel like doing anything else. This is actually very cool. Plus, I'm really into F1, so this is a double. Game dev and F1, how cool can that be? So now, what we have to add, I don't know if we have time now, but how long has it been going for? Let's say 31 minutes, yeah, we can quickly try and add that. Change of sprite that can go into to be checked. Change of sprites, that's gonna be very cool. So instead of changing the car, you'll just be changing the sprite, the livery of the car. It's gonna be very cool. I'm actually very excited for this one. So I'll do it in single player first. And I don't know if to release this on itch.io because I changed the script and I don't know if the bug has become worse now or has become fixed. I don't know. So I don't know if I should, like, as much as I changed the art and stuff, I changed all of this for now. I don't know if I should yeah, I don't know. Yeah, and P1 and P2, by the way, means well, I'll explain it later when I work on that, because for now let's just focus on this actually quickly because we don't have a lot of time. So we're gonna have one car. That's very cool. I'm actually very excited for this. We're gonna have one car. I've already got it open. Let's close these ones. In this one car, if you choose it, we're gonna have to change. Oh, that's gonna be so cool. Okay, so well, first of all, I need to check if there's anything that's focused on Ferrari. Tire walls, no, that's the track. The track usually doesn't have it. That's the old track. I could delete that, but throttle doesn't have anything for Ferrari. Time one, no. All of this is just the car. Yeah, there's nothing focused for the one car. There's only the Mercedes cam and the Ferrari cam, but that I can delete with that thing. Okay, cool. So now, when you press the button, when you're here, and you press the button, car choice. Ferrari tire. No, that's not what I want. Again, oh yeah, that's another one. I will have to change those menus so it's only one. Because if I switch that, choose a tire. Yeah, it's so dumb. Oh my gosh, so. So what now? If I had the Red Bull, I'd have to add another Red. I mean, it's just so inefficient. Now what I need to do is change the script. So instead of doing this, I'll add a script to menu. I think menu or I think menu. Yeah, I'll add a script to menu, or it already has a script. I think let's make a new script. Okay, wait. Yeah, that's W. Let's make it straight away here because it keeps. It's not control. It's a UI. Creates C# script. Car sprite. We'll call it. Very cool. Car sprite. So now we're gonna attach it to menu, right? Oh wait, attach it to menu. What's wrong with you? Car sprite. There we go. And we're gonna turn it on. And we are going to. So now what we're going to do, we're going to call two game objects. So we're going to say public game object car, because it's going to be the car. And then we're going to say, we're going to not say anything, we're going to leave it to this. We're going to say okay. And we're going to have two different scripts, which is actually, let's delete this. I think we can. I'll just put them back in if I need them. Public void Ferrari. Oh, it goes very well with that font. I just noticed. Did I even spell it right? I did not. That's why. Okay. Go William. So strong. that could have pissed off people. Car. What is it now? It's dot sprite. Car get components sprite. Okay, how to change sprite? There it is. Oh, that's complicated. What's this? Change the damn sprite. That's cool. That must be new. When was that? Oh, when was that added? That was added quite long. I didn't see that last time. So we'll just use this one because it's simple. It's easiest right there. Oh yeah, by the way, this is so useful. Greppa. Like when I first hesitated to get it because I'm like, oh, I'm not a heavy programmer. I'm not really gonna use it. But sometimes it's just lifesaver. Just when you look up something simple, like just change the sprite, and straight away you don't have to look into websites and stuff. I also add stuff because okay, game object. Then we get this sprite renderer. Sprite renderer component, and then inside that component we're going to change the sprite. We're going to change it to Ferrari. But no, I hope it doesn't think that. Okay, wait. What is that thing? What is the sprite called? It's called Ferrari. Yeah, it's just called. Yeah, that should work then. Yeah, it should work. Okay, Ferrari. I hope that works. We'll see if it works. Wait, actually, let's just do the Mercedes too. No harm in doing the Mercedes, I guess. Okay. I'll just say Mercedes. I like calling it Merc because it's faster. This. Again, I'm probably spelling it wrong. No, that's how you spell it, right? And yeah, you say Mercedes. Control save, and it's called Mercedes. Yeah, it is. Oh, it's not liking that. Why is it not liking that? What's wrong with this? There's nothing wrong with it. Why is it not? Oh, I hate when this happens. Okay, what is wrong with it? Car sprite cannot convert method, and then type and not invoke a method. Okay, well, we'll say Ferrari car then. It's being such a biatch. Surely, I don't know if that's a problem, but no. Ferrari doesn't. Okay, I had the same problem last time, but I thought it's because it was a game. It wasn't a game object. It was an image, but now it's a game object. So come on, man. Maybe if I put it in I don't think this will work, but we can just try, because you know what? At this point you have nothing else to lose. I don't think this is gonna work. How can I call it? I don't need you, I know, I don't need to add anything else. Okay. Okay, so last night the way I got it, I actually got the script right here. So how I did it was an image. Okay, well, we'll just say this is a game object for the sake of it. Then we'll have to call the two different sprites. So here we're gonna have to say public sprites car sprite. What? No, I don't want public sprites. No, don't change it to car sprites. Okay, sprite Ferrari, and then we'll actually just put lowercase, and then public sprite. Oh my gosh, that's so annoying. There's probably a way to avoid that, but you know what, I'm a noob. Mercedes. Okay, control save. Now this should work. Actually, no, it's not. You need to add something else. But let's just see, maybe. Ooh, it does. Well, that's cool. Oh, that's very cool. That's very, very cool. Okay. So what is called? We'll just put it Mercedes because Mercedes is cool. Mercedes is the leading team. Not an art. No, it's menu. Ferrari and Mercedes. And now when you choose your cars here, no, you're not gonna turn off Mercedes and stuff because that's just a newbie way of doing it. And we are not. Okay, that's the cam. Yeah, we don't care about the cam. The Mercedes, yes, no, actually. Wait, we do, yeah, we do. Mercedes tire, yeah, sure, whatever. And car, yeah, okay, all of this is good. But now we just need to add another one. A new one, which is going to be the script. So we go menus, car sprite, and that'll be Mercedes car. And if it's here, we're going to remove this because now we're not calling the Ferrari rip. There's no more Ferrari. Ferrari cam, no. Ferrari car. This is a big change if this doesn't work. I don't know how to go back. I'm deleting everything. Mercedes cam, no, that'll stay on. We don't need to turn that off. Actually, even the other one, we don't need to turn it on if it's already on. So it already turned this off because we don't need. And even the car's already gonna be on, isn't it? Oh, now it's going to be because we're not gonna be calling it anymore. That will, because that'll be the new menu. Okay, that's how the script will go. Car, because we're gonna switch that off. No, well, that'll be this one now. Merc tire, because we're only gonna use one. Just game objects, ball, and switch it on. And then a new one, and it's gonna be menu, and this one's gonna change the sprite to Ferrari. Okay, now is there anything else? I don't think so. I just want to make sure. I'm scared. I don't want to delete anything yet. Let's just see. I don't know if it's gonna work now. Oh no, it won't because I'm not setting them active. Oh no. I need to put the car on. Go away. Switch the car on. I laugh, there's no audio, like you guys can't even hear me. That would just be sad. I've been talking to myself for like an hour now. Soft. Wait, what did I choose? Restart. If I choose the Ferrari. Oh, it doesn't work. Oh, that's annoying. Oh, why does it work? It's so annoying. Oh, I know. If we switch off this, the animatrix, the anime. Oh, that's gonna be a problem. Oh, that's gonna be a real problem. Oh, that's gonna be a problem. Damn, that's annoying. I didn't think about that. Yeah, so now it works. But the wheels don't turn because, oh man. yeah, when you turn, the wheels don't like rotate. At least it's working. Yeah, it's working. Okay, well I think we're gonna leave it here. I might like literally stream in like 30 minutes because I'm needing the toilet. This is the best stream. Oh my gosh. That was so bad. Okay. So yeah, I'm going to go. I think this is a good place to stop. Don't know if I should check this yet. No, I want to change the animator too. So we'll just actually put a checklist check now. I really need to go there. Car change. No, sprite change. I'm gonna say sprite change and animator. That should be quite easy, I think. I hope. Let's see. Animate. Oh my god, I need to leave now. Animator change. Why can't I write? This is insane. Okay, so 50% done. Okay, well, I'll live stream for the next 50%, where I think we'll also get this done, so we can change cars in multiplayer. That's gonna be cool. But where are you guys? Okay, there you go. Okay, so I'm gonna end the stream now. See you guys later. I don't know when. Maybe I'll stream later. But okay, bye. Hope you guys enjoyed.